In this video we are going to install TYPO3 with Composer and DDev. Make sure that you have DDev and Composer installed in your operating system. Now, let's visit the official TYPO3 website and look at the recommended installation commands. Now let's make a separate directory or folder first where we are going to install TYPO3. Meanwhile, we will open that folder in our Xcode. To ensure that we're following the recommended and most up-to-date installation process, we'll use the commands provided in the official TYPO3 documentation. TYPO3 recommends using DDev because it simplifies the setup of a local development environment by handling containers, web server configuration, PHP versions, and database services automatically. Instead of manually configuring each component, DDev allows us to create a fully functional TYPO3 environment with just a few commands. We'll begin by configuring a new DDev project, specifying TYPO3 as the project type and defining the document root. Next, we'll use Composer to download the TYPO3 base distribution and install all required dependencies. Once the installation is complete, we'll run the TYPO3 setup command to configure the database connection and initialize the project. Finally, we'll restart the DDev environment and launch TYPO3 in our browser to verify that everything has been installed successfully. Let's execute these commands one by one in the VS Code terminal and see how quickly DDev prepares a complete TYPO3 development environment for us. Now, TYPO3 files are downloading here. After running this command, TYPO3 will start the setup process. It will ask us to create a backend administrator account. Here, we will enter the username that we want to use for logging into the TYPO3 backend. Next, it will ask for a password, which we will use to securely access the admin panel. Once this is completed, TYPO3 will finalize the installation and prepare the system for use. Here write the recover email in case if you will have lost the password of the backend. Now restart our DDev. Now, let's open our TYPO3 backend. To access the backend, we simply add /TYPO3 at the end of our project URL. This will take us to the TYPO3 login page. Here, we will use the same username and password that we created during the setup process in the terminal. Once we enter these credentials, we can log in and access the TYPO3 admin dashboard. ddev TYPO3 list is a TYPO3 CLI command used inside the ddev environment. It displays all available TYPO3 console commands that can be used in the project. This helps developers understand what built-in commands TYPO3 provides and how they can be executed from the terminal.